welcome back to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Python fat to get rid of stretch mark. Yeah, I know that a lot of you must have heard a lot of things possibly about Python fat. Yeah, how it cures keloid, how it removes bumps, all those things that grows at the back of the ear and even on the head, kind of it gets rid of all those things. And then some persons tell you that it also removes scars. Yeah, which I haven't really tried it. I got scars, so I've not really tried that one. I'm just wondering how it's gonna do the magic. Well, now we try it, then we can see how it goes. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. You can get Python fat from the local market. You can get it from where they're selling organic. You can get it in everyday supermarket. You can get it in ShopRite. You can just get it in the mall. Alright, so when you get it, put it under the sun and use it to massage. When you put it under the sun, when the oil is out, put it in your hand and massage it on those areas, those parts that there is stretch mark. Be consistent. Don't give up, even when the result is not fast coming. To everything that there is no chemical takes time. So I'm not just going to be telling you get rid of stretch mark in 3 days, get rid of stretch mark in 2 days. I have to be real. It will take you a little patience, but I need you to be consistent with it to get a very good result. So I'm going to just show you how to use this Python fat to get rid of stretch mark. Okay, so this is how Python fat looks like. I'm just gonna put it over here. This is how Python fat looks like. So it kind of smells funny. It smells funny, you know, somehow. I can imagine. I don't like snakes, but because I have to do this video and I have to also try it out myself, I have to get it. But it's alright. I think it has a lot of advantage. Okay, but in this video let's just concentrate on the stretch mark aspect. If you want to use this Python oil to treat your stretch mark, please don't put it in the stove to make it warm. Don't put it on the fire to bring out the oil. Whole fat inside was thick, so you see this fat inside, it was really thick, so I had to take it under the sun and then it started melting, and that was how this oil came out. Okay, so you're just gonna use it to massage those areas you have stretch mark. Massage it like up to 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Just make sure it absorbs into your skin. Alright, so it's going to help you to heal the appearance of stretch mark. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video.